Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a 4th of July themed cake. This isn't the recipe, it's just how you put it together to make this American flag type cake. So you're going to need 3 sponges, 1 white one, plain one, obviously any flavour you want. You want one that's red, so you have to add red food colouring with that. And you're also going to need a blue one, and these all need to be the same size. So to start off with, you're going to take the red one and the white one. You're going to need a cake slicer, and you're going to just use the cake slicer and slice the cake into 3 even slices basically. So you basically cut it along the middle 3 times to make it so they're all the same thickness. That's what the cake slicer is for. You can move down the wire a couple of notches once you've done the first slice, then slice it again, and that will create a nice thin layer of cake. And like I say, you do that to the white and the red one, so you've got 3 slices of cake from each one. See, so it makes nice thin ones. So to start off with, you're going to take one of the layers. I'm going to start off with the white one. Then you want some sort of frosting or buttercream, and you just want to put a thin layer of that, spread it all over, and this is basically going to be like the glue to hold each of the layers together, because there's a few layers. You don't want the, well, it's up to you actually if you want it thick or not, but I don't like it too thick because I don't want too much buttercream in it. Like I say, there's going to be 6 layers, so you don't want thick layers in between, unless you really like buttercream. Then I'm going to put a red one on, and then another white one, and pop that to one side. And I'm going to do it all again, but starting with the red one. Cover that, put the white one on, and then another red one, and then put more icing on top of that. So now I'm going to take the blue layer, and you're just going to grab a knife and you're going to cut out a circle in the middle. If you've got a big enough cookie cutter, you can also use a good cookie cutter if that's easier, because if you're like me, you won't make a perfect circle. So you very carefully pop the circle out, move the other bit to one side, then you grab one of your 3 loads of layered cakes, and you cut out the middle part of that as well, using the blue one as a guide of the size you want. So we're going to need the middle part of the layered cake. I'm going to pop that inside the blue cake. Then once you've done that, you want to try and grab it. It shouldn't be this loose, I made it slightly too small, the middle part. Just going to lay that on top of the other half of the cake, and we're just going to cover this in buttercream, then cover it in fondant icing, and then just decorate it however you want. And when you cut it open, that'll be the flag. And don't worry, all that cake that you cut off before, just crumble it up in the bowl, add a bit more frosting and stuff, and you can make cake pops with it. So this, I'm just going to decorate it with fondant icing, just a few stars, something very basic. The main bit is when you cut it in, cut it open, you look inside. That's the main attraction there, because you get what kind of looks like an American flag. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye!